Hey guys, this is the CamPark UHD Action Cam, and I'm going to put my first video card in here. So the video card is on the slot is on the left hand side as you have the screen facing you and the lens facing away. So here I have a 64 gigabyte Samsung. So with the camera in this position with the screen facing you, the letters on the card, see how the card has two sides? The letters on the card will be facing you and the jaggy edge will be down, the smooth edge will be up. So, see what I mean? Smooth edge up, jaggy edge down. That slides into this slot, and then you take your fingernail or thumbnail, you press until you hear an audible click. Did you hear that click? See, it's spring loaded, so if you press in again, it'll pop back out. So once I have that card in there, again, see, cut my fingernails, I'm going to turn it on with the power button here. Hold that in until you see this light come on and the screen pop up. So I did this before and it gave me this really quick menu to format, but it was real quick. So I'm going to show you how to do it by going through the menus. So we're pressing the mode button on the front very lightly. One click. Now we're in streaming mode. One more click. Now we're in playback mode. One more click. Oh, there's playback mode. One more click and we're in settings. Okay. So the way this action cam is set up on the settings, you would think you would just go up and down, these up and down buttons, but no, you have to tab across. And in order to tab across, you hit the mode button. I thought you hit the mode button. Maybe I was wrong about that. Okay, I think maybe hit the OK button. Okay, so I'm in the OK button. So now I'm in the menus. In order to tab across, I hit the mode button, which is over here. So I'm tabbing across, tab, tab. So I get to this gear looking thing. Gear looking things are almost always settings, and I'm in the language I want to be in, which is English, and I already set up the day and time. I showed you that in the last video. So now I'm going down to format. Format is going to make this blank SD card compatible to record on this, and if I have one that I've already used somewhere else and I don't want any information off of that card anymore, it'll also delete all the information on this card. So having format highlighted, hit the OK button on the top and it'll say confirmation memory will be erased. Hit the down button and go to confirmation, hit the OK button on the top, and now you just formatted your card. So that's it. So now I can hit the mode button, I can go to, oh, I have to hit OK to exit. Hit OK to exit, and then now it's ready to go. So now I can say, press the button, and now I'm recording, see? Whereas before, the card would not have been able to receive information because it wasn't formatted to the format of this particular camera. Hit OK to stop recording. I can go to mode to play that back to make sure it's working, and you can hear my voice, so that's good. So it's recording audio as well, and here's a little bar on the bottom to show you the length of the video and how much time's left. Very nice. Alright, so that's a little demonstration of how to format your first card. And oh, you want to turn the camera off, go ahead and just hit the power button here and hold it in until it makes a magic noise, and then it's done. So that's a little demonstration on how to install your first video card, and I recommend you get something with at least 64 gigabytes because you're shooting in UHD, so it takes up a lot of information, and class 3 is a nice fast speed, and I'm pretty sure you can find these on Amazon for around 10 or 11 bucks. So you know, pretty good deal. Anyway, if you like this video and it helped you, please subscribe to the channel because that helps me. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them all. Okay? Take care. Have a great day. Make it a great day.